This is David with Inspired Precision, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Umarex Notos Generation 2 and seeing how many shots we actually get out of this 118cc cylinder. I just unpacked this rifle from the box and put air into it. I've got it topped off to 250 bar, 3625 PSI, and we're really gonna get into shooting this in front of the chronograph to see what kind of speeds we get and what kind of shot counts we get. Now we're gonna be shooting our favorite 22 caliber, 14.3 grain Crosman hollow point Premiers. It's really the only thing that I shoot in a Notos, so hopefully they shoot as good out of the Generation 2 as they did out of the Generation 1. Now, if you look at this rifle, you can see that our handguard absolutely fits on the new Gen 2 rifles. Now, I don't think it's long enough, so I'm gonna come up with a solution that's a little bit longer. One thing I am not happy about is this M-lock that you see here on this shroud over the barrel is fake, guys. You couldn't put M-lock in that if you wanted to. So if you want to have an M-lock, you might want to pick up my Notos handguard or wait for the newest version that's a little bit longer. I've got the stock magazine that holds 15 rounds. I've got a Big Air Precision mag that holds 12, and I got this tin of pellets for when we need to reload. Why don't we get right into the chronograph testing and see how fast the Gen 2 Notos actually is. I really like this new lever, so let's see how we do. This will be a quick video, guys. Okay, that's 15. Let's load up this Big Air mag with 12. Keep going. Okay, that's 12 more. Let's get another mag loaded. That would be a total shot count of 27. We're gonna see how much more we can get. I'm really liking the consistency of the regulator on this rifle. I don't think it's any worse than the Gen 1, which is a good thing. Better not be worse, right? They're claiming 30 shots with this, guys. We'll see how it does. See if they actually get to 30. All right, we got a new mag with 15. All right, so we got the 28 shots before we dip down 800. Okay, 28, guys. I'm gonna do a few more. It's still effective. You can see how efficient this regulator is. It's actually very efficient, guys. Still above 750. Okay, does 15 more shots, but we're sitting at an absolute shot count of 28 on my rifle. And we're running approximately 805 feet per second with these 14.3 grain Crossman hollow points. There's gonna be a ton more videos on the Notos G2. I got lots and lots of content in store. I got some parts that we're gonna be making for these. I hope you guys tune in for that. If you like content like this, why don't you drop a like? Why don't you smash that subscribe button if you want to see more on the Notos Generation 2. This was David with Inspired Precision, and I want to remind you guys to break out of your comfort zone, learn a new skill, and have a great day.